Gold is not reacting the way most people expected. Tensions are rising, oil prices are moving up, but gold is still struggling. That's a warning because right now, one key level could decide the next move in gold. Stay with me, I'll show you exactly what to watch. The price is trading around $46.745. There is a clear pattern has formed showing a strong level of $46.04. This is the level we have seen and this is a strong level. If you look at this particular trend, a bounce back can be seen from this particular level of 46.04. Okay, but if the price didn't bounce back, it will move in this zone. Okay, and if you see a bigger pattern also, that the price if fall start falling below a level of 45.62, there is a higher chance of further downfall, and if that didn't sustain, we will see it will fall below a level of 4500, and this pattern will break downside, so we can see the price will fall further low. Okay, this is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, so in this video I will be explaining you 15 minutes 2 hours chart, daily chart, and alongside I will tell you how the geopolitical can affect as well as the dollar index affecting the price. As I've clearly mentioned you that the price has been in the because of the war situation in the Middle East is fluctuating so high as well as low. Okay, because what we have seen during the Iran war, the usually supporting the gold, because whenever the war happens, we have seen the gold started moving upside. But at the same time, what is happening? Oil prices are moving higher with the increase in inflation concern. Okay, because the oil price will move upside. Okay, which is creating inflations. Okay, and that is where we have seen the prices of the bond yields getting higher as well as the US dollar getting strengthened, because see, you have to understand something, that Venezuela thing had happened. They have a large oil reserve. Okay, hope you understand this. They have a large oil reserve, and what we have seen in the state of hormones, that the supply is being disrupted. Okay, but there is already a large amount of oil which we have seen in this particular case. Okay, so we have seen this is the only area where the some of the countries where the supply is being affected, we have seen because of that the price of oil is being moving upside. Okay, or creating most of the uncertainty in the price of gold, and which is creating a global uncertainty. Okay, so in that case we have seen the gold should be supported, but we have seen a good volatility in the price of gold. So as a dollar and higher yields which is pressurizing gold. Okay, that is why the price is not moving so cleanly on the upside. Okay, this is a 15 minute chart. So remember, if the price fall below 46.02, a further fall can be seen. But if it keep falling below 45.60 or 55, you can see, then we can see this trend will breaks downside, this particular trend, so a further fall can be seen. So if it started going below 4600, trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside. But if it keep moving upside, then there is a probability of going towards 4722, and this trend can be break towards 4800. This is an important level. Okay, so trailing your SL is very important by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. But before I explain your dollar index chart, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now if you see the dollar index chart, what we have seen there is the probability of zone breakout. So we can see it will cross above a level of 100.4. From there it will move above $100.6. Okay, and then it will cross a level of $101.9. This is the zone where we can see, and a further upside can be seen. Okay, so now let's talk about how the price can fluctuate the price of gold as well as other commodities. The dollar is holding strong. Okay, so remember that it has not broken down, so buyers are still in control as long as the dollar stays strong. Gold will struggle to move higher, but if the dollar started to drop, but as of now probability showing it is moving in this zone. Okay, so if it keep moving above a level of 100.5, then there is a probability that it will cross this zone and a further high can be seen towards 102 or a further high. So keep an eye on dollar is very important. So it's leading gold right now. So if I'll show you a daily time frame in the gold also, where you will understand more clearly. So if the price keep moving above 100.5, probability of going towards 100.2, 102 will be there and then further high. But if it keep coming down, it can fall below 100 and a probability of going towards 98 and then a further fall. Okay, now coming back on a gold prices, what you can see, if you look at the particular chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading around 4676.745. There is a clear pattern has formed, which I have clearly mentioned in the last video also, that this is the pattern it is showing. Okay, I have made a weekly video where you can see how the price can move in a weekly. You can check on my channel. See, in the lower time frame, I'll show you after this, but if you have seen 15 minutes lower frame, I have clearly mentioned you that 4600 is an important level. Okay, on the day wise chart, if you see, these two levels are already weak level and a clear U pattern has formed. So chances are high, as soon as it started falling below 4600, this pattern will support downside and can move towards 4549, which is around R1. And if the price fall below this level, chance of going after 4600, which is an R1 and this is an R2. And if that didn't sustain, we will see it will move below a level of around 4486 after this level, and from there we can see it will go towards 4379, and from there it will go towards 4323. Remember, this pattern will support downside, so trailing your SL is very important by around 10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. Okay, and once started going below 4486, it can move towards 4417, then from there a level of 4386, then to a level of 4356, and then it will move towards 4300, and then a further fall can be seen. But if it started rising, it can move towards above a level of 4731. Chances are very high it will cross a level of 4793, which is a weak level. So we will see it will cross that level and it will move towards $4869. From there it will move towards a level of 5000, and once started going upside, we can see there can be a further rise movement. I have given the mail ID in the description, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID is there in the description, and join the Telegram link also given in the description. Okay, right now buyers are not showing strong momentum, but the price break below this support, there is a movement, we can see further fall. Remember that the news can affect. If you receive the news, it may be manipulated or something, but what you see in the data is very important. Okay, so trailing your SL is very important. If you are following some news or something, suppose the news can be late and the effect on the chart is before that. Okay, so you have to understand, if you are trailing your SL or putting your SL, trailing your SL or putting the SL, so at least you'll save some capital and profit. Okay, that is very important. So understand, if it started going below 4600, a further fall can be seen, but if it started above a level of around 4749 or keep moving over 4600, probability of crossing 4800 is on a higher side. Okay, and this is the pattern supporting downside if it keep moving below 4600, but this pattern is supporting upside if the price keep moving above 4600. So probability of crossing 4800 can be seen. Trail your SL, as trailing your SL will save your profit and putting your SL will save your capital. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.